Hello students, today we are going to discuss some numerical problems, that is part I of lesson sound. Look at the first numerical. A musical instrument produces sound of frequency 400 Hz. What is the time period of vibration? So here given is that frequency 400 Hz and we have to calculate the time period. So as we know that the formula of the time period and the frequency, time period always reciprocal to the frequency of sound. So frequency 400 Hz it is given, and the time period of vibration t equal to 1 by n, that is the reciprocal of the frequency. So they are giving the frequency 400, so 1 over 400. So you can divide it directly 1 with the 400, then you will get the 0.0025 second, or you can split into 1 over 4 multiply 100. First divide the 1 with 4 and you will get 0.25, and we have over 100, so 0.0025 second. As we know that time is always has the unit in second, 0.0025 second, that is in SI unit. So in the second numerical, a wave of frequency 660 Hz has a wavelength 0.5 meter. Calculate the speed of sound in the given medium. So what is given? Frequency denoted with the new 660 Hz, wavelength lambda equal to 0.5 meter. Both has the SI unit, so there is no need to convert in the SI unit, already in the SI units. And as we know that speed of sound V equal to frequency multiply wavelength. So multiply both of the terms, then you will get the speed of sound. So frequency 660 multiply 0.5 meter, that is the wavelength. So 660 multiply, remove this decimal, you will get 5 by 10, get 0 cancel with the 0. So 66 multiply 5, that will be 330 meter per second. So speed of sound V equal to 330 meter per second. So in the third numerical, two waves of frequencies 256 Hz and 288 Hz respectively have the same amplitude. What is the ratio of loudness produced by two waves? Now look at that, they are giving the two frequencies because we have the two waves. So first wave has frequency 256 Hz and the second wave has the frequency 288 Hz. As we know that loudness of sound does not depend upon the frequency, whether it is different, whether they are equal. It is depend upon its only amplitude. So amplitude of first wave of vibration 256 Hz, let's assume that is equal to x. Similarly, amplitude of second wave of vibration 288 Hz again equal to x, because they are giving both wave have same amplitude. So let us assume that both have the amplitude equal to x. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the ratio loudness of the wave, first wave, to the loudness of the second wave, that is equal to x by x. So x cancel with the x, we will get 1 over 1. So mean to say 1:1. So ratio of the loudness of the first wave to the second wave is equal to the 1:1. So 1:1 means loudness mainly depends on amplitude. It do not depend upon the frequency, whether the waves have same frequency or different frequency. If the loudness is same, then mean to say its ratio will be 1:1, because same loudness. So loudness mainly depends on its amplitude. So in the numerical number 4, two sounds of same frequency have their amplitudes in the ratio of 1:2. Which sound is louder and why? So as we know that loudness mainly depends on amplitude, mean to say higher the amplitude, louder is the sound. So what is given in the numerical? Amplitude of first wave divided by amplitude of the second wave is equal to the 1/2. 1:2 means 1/2. So therefore sound of lower amplitude equal to x, and the sound of higher amplitude equal to 2x. So we have just multiplied 1 with x, that is x, and again 2 with the x, that will be equal to again 2x. So the sound having the larger amplitude 2x is louder. So it is very clear from it, this sound has higher amplitude, and as we know that loudness mainly depends on the amplitude, so sound having the larger amplitude is louder.